Are you moving to West Tennessee and you're military, you're on orders, moving to NSA Mid-South, or maybe you're a recruiter or serving here in Memphis area? Well, I've got the program that's perfect for you. Homes for Heroes. Yes, this program is for you. So in this video, we're going to discuss the Homes for Heroes program in detail. We're going to talk about the program, how it can save you thousands and add thousands to your pocket as you relocate here to the Tennessee area. Also, how you can also use it with other programs and other incentives that are out there for you. So you just stay tuned, and we're going to cover this program in its entirety. I'm Sondretta Green, your relocations expert, Homes for Heroes affiliate, and I served 23 and a half years in the United States Air Force. So I've relocated just like you. I relocated as a single person. I relocated with a spouse. I relocated as a single mom. I understand exactly how you feel and what you go through when it comes to relocating. And also, I was in logistics. So anytime people had to move across the world, across the globe, across country, or just within the state, I had to help organize their move. So you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel, living in Memphis and West Tennessee. So if you're relocating here and you know that you're going to be moving here for sure because you've got those orders, my number is right there. Go ahead and call me or text me, or better yet, there's two links below. One if you're moving here, one if you're leaving here, if you're selling or if you're buying. Go ahead and fill out either one of those forms and book your free home buyer or home seller strategy session with me. One of my team members will connect with you, if not myself, and we will get you on our calendars to go ahead and get you started. So let's go ahead and dive into this program, the Homes for Heroes program. So first, who qualifies for this program? A lot of people have that question. It's not just active duty. If you're retired, if you're guard or reserve, you qualify for this program. Military members. I never heard of the program, and I bought 2 homes and sold 2 homes while I was on active duty. Never heard of the program until I became a real estate agent. So I'm doing videos. I'm going to people's work to share and let everybody know about this program. Also, teachers. Yes, they're considered heroes. You're considered heroes as well. First responders, EMS workers, firefighters, police officers, and healthcare workers. That could be a veterinarian. That could be a pharmacist, a doctor, you name it. It is broad. So if you have any questions, please just comment in the comment box, or you can call me if you have any questions about the program, and I will gladly answer them for you. Number 2, is this program government or is it private? It is not government funded. It started right after 9/11. Miss Ruth Johnson and her family members, they saw the sacrifice that our first responders were making, going into the towers, risking their lives. And she put this program together and wanted to give back to first responders. And now it has blossomed into this huge program that is all over the United States. A few states are different, Mississippi and Alaska, and there's one other that's a little different. But this program, she started this program with just her as a real estate agent in her small company, and now it is a huge program that I am a member of, and many other Hero affiliates. We love what we do. We love giving back. So how does this save you? How do you sign up? A lot of people are like, what's the red tape? There's nothing complex about it. So basically, with the Homes for Heroes program in the state of Tennessee, when you sell a home or buy a home using me or Homes for Heroes affiliate, I donate 30% of my commission to Homes for Heroes. And when you close, either selling a home or buying a home in the state of Tennessee, Homes for Heroes gives you a portion of that back in the form of a check. You cash it, it's real money. I can get you in contact with some of my heroes that have used the program, and they will tell you it is a real program. You get 26%, and the other 4%, Homes for Heroes keeps that. They use it for our marketing, And then we also are able to recommend private orgs, nonprofits, excuse me, for grants. I was able to thankfully get a $5,000 grant to a nonprofit who houses veterans. All of their government funding is just tied up with the shutdown, and they need money because they house veterans. So I was able to recommend them for $5,000, well, a grant. I didn't know how much they were going to get, but they got approved for $5,000. So that portion that Homes for Heroes keeps of my commission, we're able to all over the United States give back to great organizations as well. So to me, it is a win-win. It's giving back to heroes that deserve it, and it's giving back to organizations that are helping in their communities. So the next question, do you have to use the Homes for Heroes Realtors or Homes for Heroes Lenders specifically? Yes, you do. We sign up for this program. We pay into this program to be a part of this program. So it is a perk for us to be able to give back to our heroes and work with our heroes. So there's a limited number of realtors that do sign up to do this. Not many people can afford to give away 30% of their earnings. And then the lenders, they give up to $1,000 towards closing costs. So, like I said, if you're looking for a realtor in another state, I can assist you with that. And if you're coming here to Mississippi or Tennessee, I definitely look forward to working with you as a hero and being a blessing to you. So, how do you sign up? How do you do it? Well, if you're working specifically with me, we will sign an agreement. Well, of course, you have to show me that you are a hero. If you're working in a hospital or, you're military or whatnot, I have to see that you are in that hero category, and we'll sign the hero disclosure. And then that goes over to the Home for Heroes portal. They house that there, and I keep a copy of that document as well. And then when you sign to hire me as your buyer's agent or your seller's agent, then that's it. That's all it takes. It's no red tape. It's just signing to work with me and signing this hero disclosure. It's that simple. The next question is this legit? It is absolutely legit. Like I said, if you would like me to get you in contact with buyers and sellers that have used this program, I can definitely, I can get you in contact with them, and they will let you know that this program is legit. It is just such a blessing. It's just that so many people do not know about the program. Like I said, I never heard about the program until I became a realtor, and I bought 2 homes and sold 2 homes. That was about at least $10,000 that I missed out on, and I could have definitely used that as a service member traveling all over the globe, supporting and defending our country. So are there any limitations? So Alaska, Mississippi, and Kansas, there are limitations. So like I said, if you're moving within those areas, I can look those up and explain those further to you. Mississippi will allow you to use it like as a credit, but they won't allow you to get the cash money through Homes for Heroes. So if you need a repair or need to purchase something for the house, arrangements can be made for that. Another question is, people want to know, can you bundle this? Can you get the hero credit along with maybe, let's say, down payment assistance or other grants and stuff like that? Yes, you absolutely can. This is a separate entity. So like I said, I'm giving into Homes for Hero, and Homes for Heroes giving back to you. And the other programs may be government as far as down payment assistance. It may be state driven. It may be lender driven as well. So it's separate entities, and yes, you can combine them. Lastly, I just want to go back over the hero category. So if you are a military member, active duty guard or reserve, and even retired, if you are a first responder, EMS worker, firefighter, police officer, if you're a healthcare worker, and if you have any questions on if you qualify, just send me a comment, and I will respond and let you know if you fall into that category. And lastly, our teachers, or even help if you support the teachers or support healthcare workers. Let's say you work in the cafeteria or whatnot. You are faculty and staff, and yes, you can use this program. So I look forward to serving you as a hero. I've been honored and privileged, had the privilege of serving so many heroes, and I love it. I love it. It just really warms my heart. So if you're relocating here to West Tennessee, Memphis, or North Mississippi, definitely go ahead and give me a call or send me a text or fill out those forms in the description or the pinned comment below. And it's a free home buyer strategy session or free seller strategy session. And you can book a one-on-one with me. And I look forward to helping you relocate with ease. Thank you for tuning in to my channel, Living in Memphis and West Tennessee. I look forward to seeing you here again, and stay tuned and check out my videos. I've done a lot of videos so far on other suburbs in the Memphis area. And so just stay tuned for some home tours and community tours. Have an amazingly awesome day.